Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Freeyond M6 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit. So let me choose maybe this one. Let's simply tap and now tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So simply tap on add picture or the circle, and now we can either choose something from the gallery or open the camera app. We can choose something from Google Photos, so those which are backed up, and the illustrations, they are online and free of charge, so you can find some nice graphics and set them as a photo. I will choose something from the gallery, just tap on it, tap on find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. And right here in this step you can change the position of the photo. You can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So as I said, position it just like you want to, tap on choose, and here we've got our photo applied. So if you're happy with the results, tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. Of course, you will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.